Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video. Got a pretty sweet giveaway going and you don't want to miss out. Alright, today we're going to be having fun with hibiscus flowers. This is going to be kind of a base recipe for a couple of fun things, but mainly today we're talking about the tea. And it is very, very delicious. Alright, we're starting with a ½ pound of dried hibiscus petals. I found these at the grocery store. It was about $3.50 for all of this. You want to kind of knock the dust off them, move them around in your strainer a little bit, and then get to work with some water. It took about 5 minutes to get it to this light pink color. You throw them in a big stock pot and cover them with water. And you're going to get them boiling. Once you get them boiling, let them go for about 10 minutes, then move them off the heat, cover, and steep for at least an hour, longer if you can. Get your draining apparatus set up, strain it into a big bowl, strain these guys out. It's smelling really floral right now, and you just kind of want to just drink it right away. Kind of press out the petals here, and then look at this. This is turning into like a nice little meat texture. We've already done a Philly cheesesteak with these. If you'd like to check out that video, go ahead and click right now. We're also going to do a taco meat video here later this week. All right, back to the tea. It's basically tea already after it's been steeping. So we're going to add a little bit of ginger root. Again, if you've got a good way to take the skin off of ginger, please let me know. Comment below because I wasted a bunch of it. We're going to take an orange, we're going to quarter it, and I've got 2 of the large mason jars, and this is going to fill up both of those. And so once you get these filled up, you're done. Cap them off, save it for later. If you want some hot tea, it's ready. It's hot now. Go ahead and drink it up. Oh, guys, I can't tell you how tart this is. It's really good. It's kind of like super cranberry juice in tea form currently. Once you chill it, you can mix it with some kombucha, a little 3-to-1 ratio. It tastes really good like that. It tastes good by itself too, so just have it however you like. All right, let's get into the giveaways. Thug Kitchen 101. Gonna give this book away at the 500 subscriber mark. So comment below if you made this tea and you want to get in on that contest. Let me know if you decided to use sweetener or not. I'm curious as to how many people out there are using sweeteners. All right, thanks y'all.